So yes, I received this package from Amazon, and let's unbox it and see what's in it. Okay, here's the surprise. So here's it. Here is it, the Hyperx Cloud Stinger. I ordered it from Amazon, and it costed me around 3,500 rupees. It was on a lightning sale, and if you sometimes its price is could go as much low as 3,000 rupees. You can buy it at that time also. I got it from a lightning deal, so I ordered it because I didn't have my patience. So I ordered it. Now let's unbox it. Okay. Wow. So here's some kind of HyperX congratulating me. You can pause the screen and read it. What's written? Here's a kind of this. Here's some manual. So what volume control, this is a quick start guide, volume control, mic control, something like that. Yes, so you can connect it to PC, Xbox, PS4, PS3, every mobile, something, everything. So this is HyperX has you covered. I think this is a like acknowledgement that I bought their product. You can pause it and read if you want to. So yes, that's it. And here's the headphone itself. I have never unboxed this kind of premium headset before, so I am quite nervous. Okay, so I'm going to keep it aside and let's take the headphone. Okay. So here's the headphone. Let's take this. Come on. Okay, it's like their packaging quality is like, oh my god. So here's the headphone. It's cable. It has got the cushions. Touching it, I can feel it's very soft. It's also 90-degree rotating. Like it can rest in your shoulder with ease. And this is a mic that you can, like, when you are trying to chat, you can like now you can chat easily. But when you like pull it up, it is mute. Totally mute. So it's the thing. And here's a volume slider. If you, yes, this is a volume slider plus minus. It's very like fancy, I'd say. It's a type of matte finish. It's made of plastic though, but it's matte finish. It looks good for me. So and here's the adapter itself. If you want to connect it to your computer, then here's a connector. It's a microphone, if you can see. It's a microphone logo, and it's a headphone logo, if you can see. So yeah, that's it. So I will test it and get back to you soon. Like, I have to take some time to test it. Right now my exam is coming soon, so I have just unboxed it. I will give you a review of this headphone after 1 month, like in first week of September or something like that. So hope you all like my video, like my first premium headphone unboxing. This is a premium headphone for me, for an Indian guy like me. Okay, so if you want to buy this headphone, I will leave the link in the description below. And by no means my links are not affiliate, because in order to be affiliate, I am seeing like you have to like keep a website for an affiliate link. I have no website, so I can't be an affiliate. This kind of thing I am hearing now. So that's not an affiliate link in the description box below. You can check it right from there. So it's made of plastic. Here's the Hyperx logo. Okay, I'm catching it right. This is the Hyperx logo. As you can see, Hyperx logo is everywhere, and I told you it's of plastic. And here's the headresting band. Here it's a sponge. Every headset have this. Some headset have small kind of things, and this is kind of big. So yeah, that's for this video. If you like this unboxing, give this video a like. If you hated this video, give this video a dislike. And for more content like this, click on the subscribe button and get subscribed, because many more awesome things are yet to come. And also click on the bell icon for when I upload like this video or any kind of videos. You will be notified by that. Till then, be smart, be safe. I'll meet you in my next video. Bye bye. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.